Good morning. Welcome to Sunnyside Journals. I'm Catherine. I just have a little tiny short and sweet. So if it's morning where you are, I'll wish you all a good morning. I just want to show you. Let's unravel this and take a look and see the little curved insert that we created to support the spine for Lippincot's Home Manual Clothing for Women. So last time we were together, we measured this and we cut out 2 pieces of file folder cardboard, which isn't very thick, which is what I want on purpose because we did 2 together and we glued them together. So that's not a problem. Bit of the glue has squeezed out. Just yank it off of our pantyhose, and then you take that off and you've got yourself a lovely curved insert liner to put inside. So let's take a look and see how this turned out. We still can trim if it seems a little big. We can still trim, but I have a feeling it's going to be fine. I'm just going to squeeze that in under that little piece of cloth. I think I'm going to take a little bit off the length. Doesn't need to be that long. Let's see. Yes. So I can feel it inside this groove that's on the shoulder of the book, and it feels like a nice fit. Let's see this side. This side feels a little bit bigger than I like. So I'm just going to trim a little bit off, a little tiny bit off the length. Doesn't need to be that long. I'm going to take these harsh corners off. They aren't necessary. All right, now, I think it was this side that was just a teensy bit. All right, let's see. I think this is good. Gosh, I was up all night, most of the night. Our little dog wasn't feeling well last night. I don't know what she must have got into. But she woke me up at 2 and we were out in the backyard. And then back out again at 4. Oh boy. I took her downstairs and I slept with her downstairs because my husband had a really, really early start to his day today at work, and I wanted him to try and get some sleep. So again, I'm just feeling, I can feel that new liner inside there, and it feels like a nice fit. So there we go. So I'm not going to do it right now. I told you this is short and sweet, little howdy do. But what I will do is I will be using Fabri-Tac to put it in, and I will wipe the Fabri-Tac with my finger. I don't want any thick spots because with thin old fabric like this, sometimes the glue can bleed through and leave blotches. So I will wipe the glue down, and sometimes, depending on how I feel, like how thin I got the spread of the glue, sometimes you can even blot your glue with a piece of paper, peel it off, and then go in. And then what I will be doing to reinforce the gauze that got pulled off there, I'm just going to lay a little strip of cheesecloth. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Pardon me. Oh, I think there's one more. Or did it go away? It went away. All right. I will do a cheesecloth, a piece of cheesecloth, probably maybe about the size of this shoulder. Not too big. It's only there to reinforce, because right here on these shoulders is all that's there is almost 100-year-old fabric. So I want to show this girl a little support. So I'll be doing that as well, but I'm not going to do it right now. I have things to do, and now that hubby is off to work, I'm actually hoping to just go back to bed and get a couple hours sleep. So I put this back together again and put it back in my little storage cubby hole that's over there, and until the next time I need it, which will probably be with World Book. Now, where did I put my elastics? There they are. So, and then I just sort of casually wrap it there. Another elastic, and it will go back. The World Book is so big, that's a time when I may use my larger doweling, which is a rolling pin, as I mentioned. I just took the handles out of it. So we'll see. But in the meantime, there you go. That's how you can get a lovely, smooth, curved spine. There's no ridges in it. And you'll feel that that's very solid and sturdy. And it will go in there nicely. There's just no point in any hurry of doing that. It really doesn't need to be in there until I'm ready to start compiling my book. And I haven't even picked out papers yet. My next step is actually to go through here and pick out a few of my favorite spreads. I need to determine how many signatures. Look at those pages, aren't they pretty? I need to determine how many signatures I'm planning to put in. And then these feel nice. The paper feels in very good condition. So I will probably put at least one spread per signature into the book. I like the pages that have pattern pieces, and they're a nice size. I'm really going to enjoy using this book even in other journals. I think it will be very nice. Okay, so I would say I need some coffee, but I want to be able to go back to bed. So if I have any coffee, it will be decaf, but I think I'm going to have tea. All right, take care, and have a great rest of your day. And hopefully maybe I'll turn my camera on a little bit later on today. Take care, everyone. Bye.